Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiated from our channel. So today's job notification has come from Wipro Limited. They are hiring. It is a off-campus drive for the 2021 batch. They have published their notification. So as soon as we are getting the notification, we try to provide this notification for you. So you are able to see that they are hiring freshers for BSc, BA, BCom, BBA, BBM, BMS batches. So the job profile name will be Digital Workspace Service Desk. Degree required is BSc, BA, BCom, BBA, BBM, BMS can apply. Batch eligible 2021 freshers. Experience needed is working location is across India. The job overview is given here. Like Digital Workspace Service Desk is a unique learning integrated program which offers the students a chance to build a remarkable career with Wipro while pursuing their higher education in executive postgraduate diploma in business management from a premier educational institute in India sponsored by Wipro. Okay, so for this job notification you will get a chance to do a job as well as you can continue your higher studies also. So key features about this thing: the education for Wipro Limited off campus is minimum required marks is 10 standard 50%, for 10 standard also 50%, graduation is also 50% or 5 CGPA as per the university guidelines. Admission into EPG DBM degree will be subjected to prevailing the criteria and conditions as defined by the UGC guidelines at the time of enrollment. Note that is 10th, 12th and UG aggregate percentage should be the sum of total of marks obtained against the maximum marks in all subjects in all semester. Selective subject or marks on the mark sheet should not be considered to calculate aggregate percentage. Okay, so year of passing only required is 2021. Maximum 3 years of education gap allowed between 10th and graduation. No gaps are allowed in graduation period. Graduation must be completed within 3 years. The qualification can apply BCom, BBA, BBM, BMS, BA and BSc Economics only. No MBA. Other criteria only full-time courses. Okay. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education can apply, and no standing arrears backlog can apply. Should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card. Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 3 months are not eligible. Job description: you have to have basic computer knowledge to troubleshoot the desktop laptop, answering the support queries, excellent communication skills, managing data and implementing changes, responding in timely manner, troubleshoot system and network problems, willing to work in 24/7 environment. First year stipend will be 15,000 base plus 488 ESI per month. Second year stipend 17,000 base plus 553 ESI per month. Third year stipend 19,000 base 618 ESI. Service agreement 36-month agreement is there. Selection processes: preliminary screening, technical interview and HR interview. Just click on apply link. So after clicking on apply link, the official website will be open to you for the Wipro career website. The program name is DWSD 2021. So you can go through the link again and you can go through the eligibility criteria also, then click on apply now. Okay, so then it will be redirected to the application form. Then you can directly apply through that form. Like you can see the job description ID is 2021257289 event digital workspace service desk hiring. Just click on apply, then application form will be open to you. Your email ID you must enter here, then just click on next, then do the all registration steps, then you can easily apply. Okay, so this is the whole registration process. So if you are interested, you can go for it. If you like this video, hit the like button for this video, and if you face any challenge, you can also comment in the comment section. So also don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Share this video with your friends to make this news a high great opportunity to all the friends of you who want to apply for this job. Take care guys. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.